Hello, hello, hello. Hey you. Yes, you. Having a hard time drawing with your mouse? Don't have a budget for a pen and tablet? We have a solution for that. You can draw on your cell phone, then just transfer it into your computer. I know it's hard using your fingers, but we can use a stylus. For less than 100 pesos, excluding delivery charges. Let's try the VK Tech 2-in-1 Capacitive Pen Touchscreen Stylus from Lazada. Let's go! As you can see, it looks like a simple pen. Let's look at that a bit closer. Okay, don't pull it so hard or it will break. To use that, simply let the flat end of the pen to touch the screen. The other end also works like a broad-tipped marker. Let's test it out on a cell phone. It works, right? Now let's test it out using any drawing app on your phone. For this video, we are using Ibis Paint X. Nice, right? For its price and quality, let's give it 5 out of 5. Though for sensitivity, it varies with the types of phones you have. But nevertheless, it's your cheapest option. Beggars can't be choosy. There you have it. See you again on our next videos. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.